So to add a prerequisite to any module, it's very easy. Um, Once you're in your modules tab from the left-hand side, you go down to the module that you want to add a prerequisite to. You select the three dots and you select Edit, and then you should see Add a Prerequisite here, so you can push that button and you can select which module. So say I wanted them to finish this one before I went on to energy. That's the one I would select, and it would just show that. You can also take off a prerequisite if you want it. There are also requirements. So you could say they must move through the module in sequential order if you want them to go through. They must complete one of these if you want them to do the introduction or one of these activities that I already have under this module. You can select that as well. Again, you can take that off if you don't want to have a requirement for them. But the other feature here that you will see is this lock until. So if you want to start building modules but you don't want students to have access to them until a certain date, I can set that date. So say the 14th, I want to have them unlock automatically on the 14th, then it can go ahead and do that for me. That way just you can have it ready to go and set it up so that it starts on that Monday when your students are going into the class.